guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to give you a giveaway. So please watch this video. And if you are new to this channel and you want to learn English, please subscribe. So let's start. Let's learn how to use have and has. Have is used with the pronouns I, you, we, and they. Have can indicate possession. Have can combine with other verbs to indicate more complex relationships with time. For example, they have two dogs. Have is the correct choice because the subject they is a third person plural pronoun. Another example is I have something to tell you. Has is used with he, she, and it. Has used with a third person singular pronoun. For example, he has a pen. Was and were. Was and were are both past tenses of the verb to be. Was is used in the first person singular I and the third person singular he, she, it. For example, I was, he was, she was, it was. Example, it was a great time. Were is used in the second person singular and plural. You, your, yours, and first and third person plural. We and they. For example, they were in the right spot. How to use do and thus. Since thus is really just a form of do, both words have a lot in common. Both are verbs or action words, both are present tense, both have the same general definition, both are put in the same place in sentences and questions. Both can replace a main verb when the meaning is obvious. Do is used for plural subjects like you, we, they, these, those, or Jane and I, as well as with I. The main definition of do is to accomplish an action. For example, how do you do that? Thus is the third person singular present tense version of do. The main definition of thus is a reference to the accomplishment of another. For example, how does he do that? How to use do and thus in questions. In questions, do or thus usually starts the sentence, but it doesn't have to. For a simple interrogative sentence or questions, do or does is typically followed by the subject and then the conjugated verb. Questions with do or thus as the first word usually elicit a yes or no answer. For example, what does Dallin want for dinner? If the question starts with who, what, where, when, or why, the word do or thus can come after that question word. For example, do they know they're being watched? All for now, guys. And today, as I told you earlier, I'm going to give you a prize or a giveaway. So this is my giveaway today. Dun 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 dun. Sayote. Do you know the English word of sayote? So according to Google, so this is the meaning of the word sayote. Okay, so please leave a comment below and use sayote in a sentence. And then I will choose, okay, I will choose one sentence and then I will give a prize. So see you again, guys, on my next video. And thank you so much. Okay, thank you for watching. And please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to be notified. So that's it. Bye bye, guys. Thank you so much.